then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I've got a new unit for y'all. This is Unice Hair. This is their new EasiContour Yaki unit in 24 inches. It is probably one of my favorite wigs right now, hands down. They've upgraded the V part so it looks like it's kind of growing out of your scalp, and also added an elastic band to the nape of the neck so that it gives you a really great fit. This upgrade is perfect. Takes me about 20 seconds, maybe 30 if I'm just really taking my time or I can't get it to fit right the first go around to just pop on. This really shouldn't take you a lot of time. Make sure you use that drawstring in the back right here to tighten it, and this is really going to make it contour to your head. Make sure it doesn't fall off. You see my little happy dance right there? Because I just knew this style was not going to take me long. And then here is the up close shot of the actual V part area that they upgraded as well. So all I have is just a little bit of leave out, just taking my wax stick here, my hot comb, and straightening that out. And I'm going to show you guys a couple different looks actually with this. So this right here that I'm showing you is my first time wearing it. I've worn this unit maybe 4 times now, and every time I wear it I do something a little different, so I decided to show you guys. So this is the first time right out of the box. So all I did was just run my little flat iron through it. I think my flat iron is on 365 degrees, y'all. It's Yaki. It mimics for type 4 hair really well, so you don't have to put that much heat on it. You don't really have to do that much to it, which this is going to be perfect for the fall and back to school. All right, y'all, so here's how we're looking after I laid my little edges, and I'm just going to add a little bit of layers around my face. I really did not cut a lot because I really don't like to cut too much, especially when it comes to a straight unit like this. I like to wear my units first, like a couple times before I really get in and cut them. 9 times out of 10, that's what I'm doing, unless I already know up front. But when it comes to a straight, sleek unit like this, I think the straight is good. Not too many layers to start off with, but this is the first final look, you guys. And of course, y'all know I gotta hit y'all with some curls. So just taking a light hairspray in my wand and just adding some big loose curls just to kind of see how it curled. I do recommend, if you need this to last, to just do like a flexi rod foam set it like the night before, and your curls will definitely last much longer because this is a Yaki texture. They were okay, but they didn't last as long as I wanted them to, but it still looked cute. All right, y'all, so next, this is like a few days later. This is for my girls. Okay, let me talk correctly. This is for my girls who love that sew-in look and don't care about having like a lot of leave out. So I went on ahead and left my perimeter out, so my sides out, just in case the wind blew, and of course my parts. Using my wax stick and flat iron, I'm just going to flat iron my hair as straight as possible. Also, y'all, you could sew this down. Let's say you're on vacation, or not even that. We're back to school. We're moms, we're students, we're whatever we are, professional women. Y'all, if you don't want to take this off and on and do the most, and you really want it to mimic like a sew-in, go ahead and sew the perimeter down or the front down, and you are good to go. So y'all, this is definitely one of my favorite looks of all time. I think like on my channel, it's one of my favorites simply because it just came out so natural. I went on ahead and really added some layers, really cut this unit up. Like I said earlier, I didn't do it first time around because I wanted to wait to see exactly how I wanted this to be, how I wanted to move, all that kind of stuff. So I just put some long layers in this unit, and then I'm going to curl it a bit. But y'all, just look at it. Like, look how well it blends with my natural hair. The perimeter is out, the middle is out. Like, it just flows so nicely. I had to call my husband actually to show him, because, you know, at some point in time, I get tired of the lace. I get tired of having to do all that stuff. And I do want to give my hairline a little breaky break. And that's what this is doing for me. And y'all, I also had to think about my girls who, which you'll see in a minute, I didn't do the most with my edges either. I just kind of let them very wispy and very natural, kind of like how I would do my wigs, to be honest. So I didn't want them stuck and glued to my forehead either. I really love this look. This definitely mimicked a sew-in to the T for me, y'all. So let me know what you think. I think y'all will love this unit and love just the possibilities with it. And speaking of possibilities, I did do another style. So one more just quick and easy style, just to show you that you don't only have to wear this hair down, you can pull it up a little as well. So I'm gonna show you this final look, and then we'll get into the last style for this unit. Y'all can't tell me I'm not coming with the content for you guys. Content, options all day long. So if you made it this far, because I've got options, I got everything to say in this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Y'all make sure you check the description box as well. I put the direct link to this unit down there for you, so make sure you check it out. But here, y'all, I am just basically just closing that part up and just going to add a little ponytail just to give you something a little different. And again, just to show you that you do have options with this particular unit. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I love taking the time actually and giving you guys some different options, different days, not all in one sitting. I hope it's appreciated. I hope this helps you make up your mind about it. I think you would really love it. It's such an easy option, a really great go-to that you don't have to do too much to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna quit talking, show you the final look, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.